Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a new video, and this is actually the first video of like a new series that I want to do where I'm decorating different parts of the house using thrifted things, and usually like I'll have like an inspiration photo or anything. So just to start off the video, if you guys have anything that you would like me to try and recreate from the thrift store, send me a DM or an email, itsHadrian.com or itsHadrian on Instagram, and I will go through them, and I would love to see what you guys would want to see. And if I pick your recommendation, then I'll give you like a little shout out or whatever in the video as well. And yeah, so I'm super duper excited. So today, we're going to be doing a little tablescape, which is one of my most favorite things in the world to do. I love a good tablescape. We're going to be doing one for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whatever you want to do. And of course, this is something that you can use whenever you want as well, whatever holiday, occasion, or just every day, just for fun. I love just decorating for any occasion at the drop of a hat. It's Tuesday, it's Wednesday, it's Thursday. I love to do a new decor theme in some part of the house. So today we're going to start off with a table. I'm very excited. I have a bunch of thrifted things that I have laid out on the table that I want to share with you guys, so I can share with you guys kind of my thought process with what I want to do. So let's get to the table. Okay, so let me start off with these. I wanted to use everything thrifted, so I don't want to use anything that I did not get from the thrift store. So I actually just got these napkins very recently. These are a Lily Pulitzer for Target napkins. I got these from the Goodwill for $4.99 each. And I have these plates that I have thrifted throughout the years. I love white plates with like gold accents. This is one of my favorites. And just like I love bringing in like pops of color or like more texture and stuff with like dessert plates or salad plates. But I love these almost like scalloped kind of floral plates so much. I've been using them intensely recently. I also have these really cute floral little dessert plates. I have these white with gold rim plates that I just got these recently as well, just this past weekend. These were it was a two four-piece sets, but one of them only had 3 pieces. I got these for $5 for each set. And then I have these beautiful plates. I got these from the Goodwill, but these are Isaac Mizrahi. And I'm actually going to use these. These are very, very large. So I'm actually going to use these as a charger. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I have a bunch of glassware as well that I'm going to bring out. And all this stuff on the table is from the thrift. As even the candlesticks with the candles, those are all thrifted. All this is like crystal, and it's really, really fun to just like bring it into like a room like this and put them all together because it just looks so fantastic. And yeah, okay, so let's get starting with the table setting. I also just wanted to point out too that this table is actually thrifted as well. I got it for like $30 from the Goodwill. We upcycled it by putting this top on it because we love the base of the table so much. And the table is actually a Pottery Barn table, which is so crazy to find one at the thrift store. But we were just very lucky duckies that day. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do right here on this charger plate that I'm for sure going to use. You can lay down different plates like this. You can put that one on there, or you can do this one on there as well, which I think is really, really pretty. And then there's even the option of just going like that and having like the 2 plates, though I think that might be a little too much. Because it is Valentine's Day, and I think I want to go a little bit more with this little floral motif. And then I have these really cute heart plates right here. I only have a set of 4 though, so I think that since I'm going to use these like that, I'm going to be alternating between this and then this, so that way there's still like continuity, but since I don't have enough of these plates, we'll be able to use these plates as well, and then we'll be able to fill up our 8 table settings, which I think is going to be fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and set the table, And I'll show you guys, I'll show you guys the other stuff too. So these I am so in love with. I'm not 100% certain if we're going to be using these napkin rings, though it would look fantastic with the little the settings, but I wanted to use these napkins, but then if I use the napkins, it will cover up. If I use that with the napkin rings, it might cover up the design too much, or it might actually like bring everything together. But I think I want to fold these and put them on the side with our dinnerware, which I'm very excited to show you guys as well. This dinnerware is so beautiful. Check it out. These are not the little container. That is something that we've had for a while. But I got these gold, the gold utensils from the thrift store in a lovely set of 8, which was so lucky to have found them all together and intact. So I love using these because they just go so well with the rest of the gold dinnerware that I have. And that's why I like to collect things that are like all the same color, like all of these white dishes. They do have gold accents, but they all just go together. So whatever you want to do, mix and match, they'll always work and you don't really have to think too hard about it. The same thing with the crystal. I love crystal. These are, I have a bunch of these Tiffany's candlestick holders that I thrifted at different times. And then I found these really cool crystal like stands. And these are Swarovski crystal like flowers where you can put like a little candlestick, or I put the little battery powered candle thing inside of there. And then to just up it a little bit, I got these came in like a little bag, and they're just like plastic crystals that I just have dropped on the table to kind of give ambiance. I know it's kind of a little bit like a wedding, but I still like it. I also have these beautiful Waterford crystal candlestick holders as well. I love these guys. They just look like little diamonds on the table. Here is the table, you guys. I am pretty excited with how it turned out. I love everything. I love all the colors. I love the little hearts that I put on there. I got them from like this set of Valentine's Day decor, and I was gonna write everyone's names on them, but I never came around to doing it. And also, Mom made these delicious and beautiful rose cakes and like little cupcake things, and they are so adorable. I feel like they totally make the table setting, and I am completely obsessed with how it looks. I love being able to alternate between the plates too, with the heart plates and the flower plates. I feel like that makes such a big difference, especially because I didn't have enough of just the heart plates to complete the whole table, but just being able to alternate, I feel like is such a good way to be able to achieve continuity throughout the table and still having it look fabulous. And again, this whole entire table was thrifted. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited how beautiful I feel like it came out. And I just want to let you guys know that you guys can do it too. Go to your local thrift store, see what you can find, and you too can thrift an entire table setting for any holiday or occasion of your dreams. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about the table. Comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do more of these, and I'll do more in the future. Bye guys! Let's see if there's any other bags that are hanging here. This one's a fossil. It's a little too worn and faded.